Today, boys and girls, we shall be reading from the New Australian Reading Book's second reading book, Lesson 20. A Stitch in Time Saves 9. Paul saddled his horse to ride to the neighbouring town with the half-year's rent of his farm. As he mounted, he saw that a nail of one of the horse's shoes was wanting. "It is not worth the trouble of dismounting," said he. "The want of a nail will not hinder my horse on the journey." So he rode off. He had gone 3 miles when he saw that the horse had lost the shoe that wanted the nail. "I might be able," said he, "to get a shoe put on at the neighbouring smithy. But no, I shall lose too much time. My horse will reach the town quite easily with 3 shoes." Further on, a great thorn pricked the foot of the horse, sorely wounding it. "I shall be able," said Paul, "to dress the wound when I reach the town. It is only a mile distant." A little after, the horse took a false step and fell. Paul was thrown with great violence and had his arm put out of joint at the shoulder. He was taken to a house nearby, where he lay for 10 days unable to move. His horse was much hurt and of little use afterwards. Paul lost his time, had to spend a good sum of money, and to endure much suffering. "All this," said he, "has come of those little neglects. If I had put a nail in my horse's shoe, it would not have been lost. If I had got a shoe put on, the horse's foot would not have been wounded. The horse would not have stumbled and fallen, nor should I have been lying here like a log."